For the fourth straight year, Hunter Remote Aviation has been a proud volunteer supporter of the North Carolina SkillsUSA Conference and Competition. High school and community college students from across the state who participated in the 2025 drone competition were judged on several aspects of commercial drone operations. Students went through an interview process as if they were applying for a position as a professional drone pilot. During their interview sessions, students presented their resumes, a mock mission plan, and demonstrated their ability to pre-flight and set up an aircraft for the mission. Judges also evaluated the students' professionalism and presentation skills. This portion of the event was facilitated by Mr. Wayne Bailey of Blue Ridge Mountain Drones, and who also served as the lead coordinator for the event. This year's flight competition had two separate stations to test the students' piloting skills. In years past as well as this year, a standard NIST traverse test lane was utilized. This was judged on target acquisition accuracy and elapsed time. Added to this year's drone competition was the Hunter Remote Aviation FPV Gate Obstacle Course. This system was developed as a training and evaluation tool for public safety FPV drone pilots. If you have ever flown a drone professionally, whether for public safety or any other professional endeavor, you can understand that your aircraft can on occasion pass in close proximity to obstacles. The Hunter Remote Aviation FPV course will safely test your abilities and improve your close-quarter flying skills. Students were allowed to fly with or without FPV goggles during the competition. For public safety missions, flights must be flown expeditiously and accurately. So, either used in a competition or in a pilot evaluation scenario, the FPV course easily highlights the pilot's flying abilities. In addition, this system can be used as a practice tool which can be easily set up and stored. Our scoring is based on gate strikes, toppled gates, off-course, and missed targets. Since in the public safety arena, if you were to crash the aircraft and cannot recover, your sortie is most likely over, especially if involved in a life safety situation. The same theory can be applied to the FPV course. In this event, pilots were not allowed to reset their aircraft once they entered the course through the first gate. You may choose to allow pilots to physically enter the course and reset their aircraft and impose a penalty. During the competition, the FPV-1 double pass course was utilized. The two most challenging obstacles, which might have resulted in a crash, were perching the bird and the final upward pass through the Scuttle Gate 0. Check out the video FPV Training for First Responders on our YouTube channel for more details on scoring, course patterns, and terminology. We offer this valuable training tool here on our YouTube channel at no cost. We feel that it is more important to help American drone pilots develop their piloting skills, especially to reduce risk and maximize air safety. Furthermore, we hope to improve mission outcomes, especially those in the public safety arena where positive outcomes can save lives. If you have chosen to use this system, let us know. Also, let us know your thoughts and ideas so we can share them with other agencies and incorporate them into our training event. Check out our videos on constructing the props, course setups, and rules. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please share and subscribe to the Hunter Remote Aviation YouTube channel for future drone-related content. Message me on LinkedIn for questions. As always, fly safe and legal.
Thanks for watching. Please feel free to use this content in your public safety remote aviation training programs. Help us improve by commenting. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell to subscribe to receive future content. You can message me on Facebook at Hunter Remote Aviation and at Bill Hunter on LinkedIn.